Shivani from class 8. I am studying in Polychild Academy and this is the model of solar power irrigation system. My topic is solar power irrigation system. I am going to explain this model. Before explaining it, I would like to tell their names. This is solar panel, this is tank, this is controller, this is pump and this is agriculture area. The supply of electricity is not reached up to every village. Solar energy is the most essential energy in the world. Solar based irrigation system are suitable alternative for farmers in the present state of energy in India. Also, it is an eco-friendly way for producing energy production. Produce free energy after an initial investment is made. An automatic irrigation system using solar power controller and moisture sensor using the pump water from bore well to a tank to control flow rate of water from the tank and to the irrigation field. Thus optimize the use of solar power irrigation system. Thank you.
Dhama from class 8. I am studying in Polychild Academy. I am here with the model of windmill and solar panel. Firstly, I would tell you about windmill. Wind is an inaccessible source of energy. The wind first used in Iran. The wind is discovered in 1854 by Daniel Holiday. The mostly winds are found in Netherlands, Spain, UK, USA. Now I will tell you about solar panel. Solar panel is a mostly essential source of energy. The solar panels are also used in solar cookers, solar besides being used in community lighting and traffic signals. Thank you.
चंद्रयान के ऊपर टॉपिक है ये विक्रम लैंडर और ये प्रज्ञान है। गुड मॉर्निंग, माय नेम इज रशीद धवन फ्रॉम क्लास 8. आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग प्रज्ञान और विक्रम लैंडर. आई विल टेल यू चंद्रयान 3 जर्नी. इंडिया लॉन्च फर्स्ट चंद्रयान on 2008 and second Chandrayaan on 2019. But both were our failure. Now India launched third Chandrayaan on 14 July on 2023. It was launched by Indian Space Research Organization and finally land on the moon at the South Pole. The Vikram lander timing is 6 o'clock 4 minutes and 45 seconds. That is very proudly moment for all Indians. Vikram lander word means the name of Vikram lander is Sanskrit word that means bravely and stronger. It's fit perfectly because the lander represents Indian smart technology and into the promise. I am from class 8. Polychild Academy, Khegda Bagpat. We are preparing this project on the topic of renewable power resource. Firstly, I am telling about the solar names. This is windmill, this is solar panels, and this is hydro dam. Firstly, windmill. Windmill is used for producing electricity through winds. Windmill is eco-friendly. Windmill is eco-friendly. It cannot harm our nature in any way. Windmill is firstly introduced in Iraq by Daniel Holiday in 1854. Windmill is a renewable resource. Windmill requires a huge land area and windmill requires service in every 1 year. Windmill also help us to conserve our nature and it cannot harm our earth.
Hydropower. Rainwater or river water stored in dams is made to fall from heights. Falling water flow for dams inside the turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The following water when turns the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. Thank you.
Solar energy. Solar energy is very important as it is a clean and renewable source of energy. Thus, this means it will not damage the earth in any way. Similarly, it does not cause any kind of pollution. In addition, it is available on daily basis. Solar panel systems require a lot of solar power energy. They not require a lot of solar power energy, and it is come with 5-10 year warranty, which is very beneficial. Much better is it is also reduce the cost of electrical bills.
From class 8, I am here with us windmill solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable resources of energy. The energy come from sun. They consist electrical ventilator, electrical electrical machines, and energy come from sun. Energy come from sun. It's produced by sun rays. A windmill is a machine that produces energy, and water pumps. They firstly used in Iran, and it has three fins. Good morning, I am Priyanshinen from class 8. Today I have prepared a project on renewable energy park. My renewable energy park consists of solar energy and wind energy and hydro energy. First of all, I explain my solar energy, then wind energy, and then hydro energy. Solar energy is the energy which is trapped from the sun, and it take place by the fusion that take place in the sun, and collide to form a helium atom to create the solar energy. Wind power is the energy which is created by the wind, and to the mechanical power. First of all, it is discovered in the Iraq in 1854 by Dr. Holiday. And hydro energy is the energy which is created by the running water over the surface. It was over 2000 years. It was first of all introduced in the Greek, and peoples of Greek use something to make electricity from the water.
From class 8, today I will explain about the windmills. Windmill is an exponential source of energy. Windmill has been used for grinding grains and lifting waters in the innumerable times. The modern time periods, the high speed of wind rotates the windmills which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. Windmill farms having a clusters are located in a coastal regions, and windmill farms are found in the UK, USA, Denmark, and Spain, which are noted for their productions of windmills. The first windmill design was founded in 1854 by Daniel Holiday. Anemometer is also fitted in windmills to measure the speed of wind. Thank you.
Class 8, I am reviewing a project on windmill. Windmill is used to generate heat and electricity and pump water. Windmill floated when wind blows. Windmill is used to pump water and grind flour into grains. And windmill is a process used to generate heat and electricity windmill is a harness process of energy of wind. Windmills has three blades. When wind blows, the windmill's blades are spin around on them. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Tanmaya. Today I am here to speak on windmill. Windmill is producing electricity through winds. It is used to milling grains. It is used to pumping water. It is used to generate electricity. Windmill is used clean and renewable source of energy.
I am Kirti Kaushik from class 8. I am preparing this project as windmill. Windmill generates electricity. It converts the hydel energy into the mechanical energy. It contains the fan-like structure, blades erected on strong structured. Windmill have a specific principle.
The first windmill is designed by 1854, and like such example of windmills are fan mills, post mills are the best example of windmills. And it is also used pumping water. Advantage of windmill, it is clean fuel, and
Windmill energy is free.
Disadvantage
of windmill, it is produce noise pollution,
and it is time consuming.
this time
all the
consume.
blades,
saves the environment, helpful for the environment.
all the blades of the windmill rotate in as a clockwise manner. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. I am Karim from class 8. Today I am here with speech and making a project. Windmill can produce electricity with the help of solar panel. Mostly windmill located in the farm or field. All blades of windmill are located. All blades of windmill are always to rotate in clockwise direction. The first windmill was designed year 1854 by Daniel Harding. The first windmill worked in Iran. A windmill consists extra on its strong standing support. Good morning, sir. My name is Shradha from class 8. Today I am here with speech about the windmill. I am making a project, advantage of windmill. It is a clean fuel. It depends on the combustion of fossil. Windmill is free. Windmill energy is free. A disadvantage of windmill: it is not continuously energy. It produces noise pollution. It is time combustion.
I am Sakshi from class 8. Today I am here with speech of windmill. Advantage of windmill: it is a clean fuel. It depends on composition for the fuel. Windmill is energy free. Disadvantage of windmill: it is not a continual energy source. It depends on it is time consuming. It produces noise pollution.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Tanishka Sharma from class 8. Today I am speaking windmill solar energy. The energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. It is a renewable source of energy. It will never end as long as the sun remains. Solar energy is also pollution free. It is not any or chemical in the air. It is eco-friendly and helps to decrease global warming and ozone holes. Uses of solar panels reduce our electrical bills. Thanks. I am Nanda from class 8. Today I am here with an exhibition on windmill. Windmill is defined as a machine that converts energy of a wind into mechanical energy. The blades rotate when wind is below. A number of blades rotate through spin with the help of generates electricity. Many advantages of windmills like generate electricity, pumping of water, etc. The first windmill is used in Iraq. The windmill is designed by Dr. Darul Holiday in 1854. In 1854, the windmill is free from pollution and eco-friendly. It decreases global warming and ozone holes. Three parts: blades, steam, and generators. So the windmill is mostly found in coastal regions and hilly regions. The windmill is mostly found in countries such as Spain, USA, or Netherlands, etc.